Meaning of dual.
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 Dual. The word dual refers to the concept of having two parts or aspects that are related or identical in some way. This term is often used to describe things that have two components, such as a dual-core processor in a computer, or a dual-purpose tool. The use of the word dual can also connote a sense of balance or symmetry between the two parts. In mathematics, dual is often used to describe pairs of objects that are intrinsically related in some way, and that have certain properties that are reflective of each other.